What's up, everybody? We're going up for another day of riding, so come along and let's go. Up for day 22. Snow is gonna be wet. We got a big crew, maybe build a jump or two. Let's go. That was a tight one, good. His track ratchet is on that one. Just disclaimer, he pulled me out of one, so I didn't film that, but of course I'm gonna film this. What you got for lunch there, bud?
A pizza sub from Subway?
Looks like all you guys got Subway. Subway too?
You know it.
Tyson?
What's up?
What do you got for lunch?
Pizza pops.
What about Matt?
Granola bars today.
Granola bars?
Oh yeah.
Normally you got the everything. You got the good stuff.
Today.
What about you, bud?
Deleted it about an hour ago.
What are you cooking up?
Pizza pops on my way to go get Anson out.
Oh yeah, okay. We'll be here. I got a good old sandwich from the Big Eddie this morning. I was not digging the sourdough peanut butter and jelly sandwiches from yesterday, so pick this up instead.
It.
They're climbing all the way up there. To one guy's got a crazy carpet, one guy's just got a shovel. They're gonna slide down. They're fighting, dude.
Heads up.
Throwing snowballs now.
You would have got that with a dome, you'd be concussed.
Well, that didn't work that great.
Boo-hoo!
Kyler should have went first, maybe.
Snow's too sticky.
It's too grippy.
Nice one!
Got her good stoved in there. Definitely a shovel job.
That was nice. That was real good. Do your reentry, Matt. Air 'em out, baby. That was tight. Get in line.
Did you like the Superman drag now?
Oh yeah, that was nice.
My track ratcheted.
I was trying to amp Justin up there, so he hits it big. He's gonna launch off that. He's hoping and air it out and land there. So hopefully it looks big.
Hell yeah.
Nice one.
Oh, come on. Keep going!